What's up guys, Dud Light here. Today is a special day for me and for YouTube, for all of my subscribers. Today I received my 100,000 subscriber play button from YouTube. So I'm excited. I've been waiting all day to open this. So this took me about 3 years to get to 100,000 subscribers, and then I hit it back in December or January, and then they reviewed everything and then let me know that the new play button was going to be shipped 6 to 10 weeks. And I got it pretty quick, so this is what the inside looks like, and it's got a nice little letter here. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of your esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, YouTube, Susan Wojcicki, maybe? The CEO of YouTube. But I want to thank all you guys for subscribing and liking my videos or disliking them and commenting. I really appreciate everybody that's been a part of my 3 years, especially the people that have been there since the beginning and my first YouTube video. So I had some good support right away from you guys. And this is what my silver play button looks like. So it is the new one that they just started handing out. It's a nice plaque. And I'm guessing you can see the reflection of everything. But this is presented to Dud Light. Congratulations. Presented to Dud Light for passing 100,000 subscribers. So this is definitely going on my wall. Something to be proud of. And it's a pretty awesome reward for the 100,000 subscribers. And I can see myself. So it's like a little mirror. So of course today I'm going to do a challenge, and since I hit that special 100K subscriber milestone, today I'm going to eat not one but 2 boxes of Special K vanilla almond, which is my favorite flavor. So I will also be using 1 full gallon of milk for this challenge. There's 1 box. smells delicious. So this is what 2 boxes of Special K vanilla almond looks like. Now to add the 1 gallon of milk. It's perfect. So this is a huge bowl, 2 boxes of vanilla almond Special K, and 1 gallon of milk. This is Dud Light. Here we go. Ooh. 1531. To fit all that in my stomach. So that's what my stomach looks like. So that's 1 full gallon of milk and 2 boxes of cereal. About 3,700 calories in total. So was Dud Light. That was my Special K challenge for hitting 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys again for the support. Dud Light, I'm out.